Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores. Love to find the deals, sales, viral stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping, vlogging, all that, definitely hit that subscribe button down there if you don't want to miss my videos. But today is a Dollar Tree haul, weekend version, like Friday to Sunday. So I went to a lot of different stores. Me and my aunt went a lot of places, and the price hikes that are happening are just insane. I say it in every video, but it was so real seeing like the new banners on them and then all the red stickers. It didn't go into effect yet, but also I don't know when it does, which who knows. But anyway, yeah, this is a Dollar Tree haul, so let's just get into it. So first off, I got this Mio watermelon lemonade drink mix. I could not believe this was $1.25, which everything I'm showing you was $1.25 when I bought it. When I upload this, I hope it's not price changed yet, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check that. But this is just the Mio watermelon lemonade. Like, you pour it in your water. Can't believe this was $1.25. This is the only flavor. If they come out with more, I'm snagging them. I love this stuff. Then got the viral cups with lids because these are going up too. So I got them now, whether I got them currently. When I bought these were $1.25, so I love these things. Then finally I found the velvet set of 2 hangers. I've been on the hunt for these for literally, I don't even know, like years. And the one store I went to had these, so I just got 2 sets of these because I did the math, and at Walmart you get 30 for $11, so I did the math and I just got 2 sets of these and then got the ones at Walmart that you get 30 in a pack. But anyways, I like these, so still got those. Then I found these things. Like, I don't know why these intrigued me, but they're the paper straws for 4-pour smoothies, table accents, perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, and frozen drinks. And they're earth friendly because they're paper, and I just think the colors were so cute, and especially for summer. So snag those. Then I got some Type-C wired earbuds, which I think, now I'm thinking about it, I think Type-C is Mac and not our iPhones, but I don't know. But anyway, I got these while they were $1.25, because hence red sticker. Whatever. But anyway, I could go on all day about the price hike. But anyway, so we got the headphones, super cool. Then I got this Barbie hand sanitizer because in my Walmart haul, I told you I got like the Walmart like lip gloss Barbie whatever. So this is going on that. I'm doing a whole little thing, so I'll do a short of it. But we got that. And then I had a request from a film member for more Squishmallow hand sanitizers. So got what I could. Then we have these new Orchard feminine wipes in strawberry scent, which seems interesting. So we got the strawberry scent. They also had vanilla, but I'm not a fan of vanilla, so I did not get that. And then they have, oh wait, yes I did, vanilla. It was green, and I cannot remember it, but I did not get that one. But I got vanilla and watermelon. I cannot remember what the green one was, but I did not get it. But we got those too. Then I got these little hair ties. Like, how cute are they? They're Sherpa, and they're like blue and white. And then I got these ones. I live for hair ties, so. Then I got this scrunchie that has a little freaking zipper. Like, are we kidding? So that's super fun. Then I had a family member request for the apricot lip cheek oil, and surprisingly they're still around, so I got that. Then I got this LA Colors Soft Glaze Sheer Lip Balm in Playful. I love that color, so we got her. So this was just one store. Oh, and I did get this tote because it was $1.25. It was on sale for $1.25, normally $5. But yeah, that was one store. So let's keep moving. Okay, so this was the last store of the weekend. And this was the biggest purchase I ever made, and it was over $70, and that is because of the price hike. I refuse to pay for stuff that like over $1.25. I don't know if that sounds dumb, but like some stuff just isn't worth $1.50. So I got it now. I stocked up now while it's $1.25, and it's stuff that's like that won't go bad or whatever. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's why I went overboard, because $1.50, no. So first off, I got this reacher. These grabbers are literally amazing. You can use these for anything. So I just got these little grabbers. So super random, but very essential. Then I got 2 photo albums, because I do picture albums, I do everything. And I'm putting my college graduation and my technical school like my medical program school graduation photos in here. So got 2 of those. And I saw the red stickers all over the picture frames too. Then we have the blue nightlight, which I use this in our bathroom, and I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is amazing. So I got another one, hence red sticker. Then I found some diamond painting keychains, which I'm excited because as you guys know, I do these all the time. And I'm still going to do a short. I just haven't had time to do any more crafts. So we got this one. And then we got this little heart. So love doing those when I have the time. Then I just got some dryer balls. These are an essential, and they don't last long, so it's like for $1.25 you get 2 of them. So I always pick these up because, yeah. Okay. Got this auto bucket for the car, but as you can see, red sticker, gross. Okay, then this stuff's kind of boring, but I'm just showing it because, yeah. So these are some sponge brush sets, like paint, because thank you again for the comment, the Mod Podge over those like diamond painting stuff. So I got that set of brushes to do the Mod Podge over top, so got those. Then I'm just reaching in here. Okay, and then these foam brushes from Full Bench are going to be $1.50, so I got those now. Then this Never Gets Hair Clogs Again by Mr. Rooter, Dr. Rooter. So we shall see, but why not? Then I got this little paint set. This is actually amazing. When I was painting my room, this was amazing, so we just got that. Then we got some removable hooks. These are essential, and these are going up. So just got some hooks, which I know is super boring, but then got another LED coaster. I love these things, and I was like, you know what, I need another one. So got her. Then got some microfiber cleaning towels, and again, oh, there's 2 $1.50 stickers. So I just got these, and these not even just for the car, but really any use. So got those. Then we got the utility knife. This is amazing for cutting carpet, and that's why I got this, because we're getting a new carpet, and yeah. So again, red sticker, gross. So I got the utility knife, and then got the small cutter knives, because this is good for the corner of cutting carpets, like near the wall. Then I got this magnetic pickup tool, and I was like, wait a minute, this seems so interesting. I drop so much stuff all the time, and so I was like, you know what, why not? So we got her, super random. Then I just got some of the adhesive covering, because I do a DIY, like on my vanity, I did marble like on top, so now I have to do the drawers, so got that. Then these hanging travel bags are fantastic, and while they're $1.25, then we got some car wipes, because again, automotive is going up. So these are the all clear automotive glass wipes. So we needed a restock on these anyway. So we got the glass wipes, and then the multi-surface wipes. These are actually really good. So got her. Then, I did not know this, but I saw batteries are going up to $1.52. So I got these, which I hope these are the right size. I have to check my remote, but I got these. Then we just got some simple AAA, AA, D, and C. So, but yeah, these are going up to $1.50. First thing, I always film them request Squishmallow sandwich anytime I see them. So I grab them. So I got the green, purple, and that was it. And then I got the dark pink Barbie for my DIY. So then we got this LA Colors Nude Glam Bare It All Layers Over Lipstick, which that's what really got me because I like doing a matte lipstick and then a gloss over it. So we got that shade. So I have like a bin of all the stuff that I've like unpacked, so I put it over there. Then we got the LA Colors lipstick in BFF. Again, I'm so into dark lipsticks right now, I don't know what it is. So we got her. Then we got the LA Colors Soft Glaze and Crush on You. And I think that's going to go so cute with that matte. I mean, with this matte lipstick that I just showed you. So we got her. Then we got the Aristocat lip gloss. I'm going to try it again. My other one, like the cat ripped right off. So we're going to try it again. Hopefully it doesn't rip off. But you know what? Let's open it on camera. Because why not? Raw reaction. Yeah. So tell me while I'm doing this, what do you guys think about the price hikes? Honestly, are you still going to buy stuff at Dollar Tree for $1.50? Or are you just going to walk past it and go to another aisle? Let me know. Because some stuff I don't think I would rebuy for $1.50 if I'm being honest. But if HPC goes up to $1.50, I'll cry. Okay, goody. She did not fall off this time. So we got her. Then I got this watercolor effect nail top coat. I'm very intrigued. I painted my nails. They're already chipping. But I'm going to put this over top and I'm going to see if it gives me a watercolor. I'm very intrigued. And if it works, I'm going to pick up the blue one. But we got her. If you guys have tried anything, please let me know how it went. So I saw this and I was interested. By Bolero, it's the Brightening Cleansing Bar, Mandarin Citrus. So, what does it say? Directions, yeah. Brightening Cleansing. So we're going to see if it brightens my body. So, we got that. Then, I got this makeup remover towel. I've always been skeptical on getting this, but I'm like, you know what? Why not? It's like a mitt. I'm going to put it on and see if it works. So, super random, but we got her. Then I did get some restocks on face masks, but I got the Illuminating Oxygen Bubbling Mask in Passion Fruit. Then these made a comeback, and I'm so psyched. I love these. The Bio Miracle Bubble Mask in Restoring. Then we got the Miss Spa Dream Cream Overnight Vitamin B5 in Buckternal, however you say that, extracts. I love leave-on masks at night. So we got that one. And then we have the Dream Serum Overnight Mask, which is grapeseed oil and retinol. So, then I'm obsessed with this. This is the 2-step lip kit. You get the lip scrub and pumping mask. I don't know why I just grabbed one. I really don't. Next time I'm at that location, I'm getting more. But I love these. So we got her. Then another bubble mask. This is the Blueberry. Yeah, Blueberry. Got her. Then you got the Coconut. Clearly I'm into bubbling at this moment. So we got that. Then I did get the towel scrunchies. I love using these, especially when I take off my makeup. Like I put them on my wrists. So, double use. Then we got the cream blush in Mesmerizing, because I like to use this as a blush and contour combined. So it's perfect. So, but that is everything I got this weekend, which not much new things. I haven't seen barely anything new, and I'm so bored of it. It really is boring. And adding on the price hikes, it's just like, what is it's like not fun anymore. It's starting to get not fun. But anyway, comment down below your guys' like all your inputs on the price hikes and not finding new stuffs. Please let me know because I want to know your guys' thoughts on it too. But anyway, that completes this weekend little Dollar Tree haul. And as always, don't forget to comment where you guys are in home for, what I should be in home for. And definitely subscribe and share the channel. I'll see you guys in my next haul.